You might assume that uncovering gemstones requires deep mines, expensive equipment, or perilous expeditions into remote mountains. Yet some of the world's most stunning and valuable gems lie hidden in plain sight, disguised as ordinary stones. With patience, curiosity, and a keen eye, these treasures can be discovered without ever breaking the surface of the earth. Sometimes the smallest clues in nature can lead to the most astonishing discoveries. Across rivers, beaches, deserts, forests, and volcanic fields, nature has been quietly hiding its precious secrets, waiting for those who know where to look. Even casual walks can turn into treasure hunts if you know what to search for. Today we journey to 5 locations where gemstones can be found without mining, revealing the hidden beauty of our natural world. And along the way, we'll learn how to spot the subtle signs that distinguish a gemstone from ordinary rock. 1. Riverbeds and rivers have long served as nature's own sorters. As water flows, it carries soil, sand, and pebbles. But the heaviest stones, often gemstones, sink and accumulate in bends, behind large boulders, or at the base of gravel bars. Over centuries, rivers have acted like meticulous sieves, concentrating these hidden treasures in places just waiting to be discovered. Each pebble tells a story shaped by water, time, and pressure. The magic of river hunting lies in observing subtle differences. Look for stones that are heavier than their neighbors, slightly translucent, or catching a glint of sunlight. Even a small, unassuming pebble can reveal a sapphire, an agate, or another hidden gem. Sometimes just shifting a rock slightly in the water can reveal a hidden sparkle that changes everything. In regions like Montana in the United States, the Rangitata River in New Zealand, and the gem-rich streams of Sri Lanka, careful panning can yield astonishing finds. A single gray stone, washed by the river's flow, might sparkle with color once cleaned. A reminder that beauty often hides beneath the surface. Many amateur gemstone hunters report feelings of awe and disbelief the first time they spot a gem in the wild. Practical tips. Walk riversides after rainfall, examine bends and rock formations, swirl gravel in shallow pools, and patiently wash the stones to reveal their true colors. Always take your time. Patience is often rewarded with unexpected treasures. 2. Beaches. Beaches, shaped by waves and tides, are far more than places for leisure. They are natural treasure troves. The constant motion of water polishes stones, sometimes uncovering gems that have lain hidden for months or even years. Storms and high tides can shift sand, revealing gemstones previously buried and forgotten. Even a tiny glimmer in the sunlight can hint at something extraordinary beneath the surface. Historic discoveries include polished agates along river-mouth beaches in Brazil and amber deposits on the shores of Lithuania. Even the smallest stone can reflect light in unexpected ways, a hint of the treasure that may lie within. It's not uncommon for collectors to stumble upon rare gems while simply combing the shoreline for unusual shapes. Practical tips. Search early mornings after high tide, inspect storm debris in tidal pools, wash stones to reveal color, and tilt them towards sunlight to detect hidden sparkles. Take a small magnifying glass with you. It can reveal intricate patterns invisible to the naked eye. 3. Deserts. At first glance, deserts may appear barren, yet their harsh climates and sparse vegetation make them perfect hunting grounds for gemstones. Erosion gradually removes layers of soil, uncovering stones that have remained hidden for thousands of years. Occasional rains concentrate gems into small pockets, and the dry air preserves fragile stones such as turquoise or opals. The desert's extreme conditions can sometimes produce colors and crystal formations found nowhere else. Famous desert gemstone locations include the Australian outback, home to opals, and the southwestern United States, where turquoise and peridot have been discovered. Stones exposed on desert plains, near cliffs, or in dried riverbeds may hide colors and textures not seen anywhere else on Earth. Even footprints left in soft sand can lead to gemstones that were previously overlooked. Practical tips. Focus on exposed bedrock, inspect dried riverbeds, wear protective gear, and use a magnifying glass to spot tiny crystals invisible to the naked eye. Sunlight can enhance the natural color of gemstones, so always examine stones outdoors when possible. 4. Forest floors and fallen trees. Forests conceal treasures beneath layers of leaves, moss, and soil. Over centuries, roots pull stones closer to the surface, while fallen logs may reveal agates, amber, and other gemstones, some capturing remnants of prehistoric life. Occasionally, a single mushroom or moss patch indicates mineral-rich soil where gems might lie nearby. Every forest hike becomes a potential expedition. A glimmer of amber beneath a leaf or a quartz crystal partially hidden in moss can spark the thrill of discovery. The forest is a natural museum, preserving secrets of Earth's geological history. Even old forest trails, long forgotten by humans, can be surprisingly rich in hidden gemstones. Practical tips. Explore after rainfall, focus on areas around tree roots and moss, and examine every glimmering or unusually shaped stone. Photograph unusual stones. Sometimes reviewing images later reveals hidden gems you initially overlooked. 5. Volcanic fields. Volcanoes are not merely landscapes of lava and ash. They are natural gemstone factories. Extreme heat and pressure form stones such as peridot, obsidian, and sometimes diamonds, often trapped inside volcanic rocks. Over time, erosion exposes these hidden treasures. Volcanic soils and cooled lava flows can preserve gems for millions of years. Even the most seemingly lifeless volcanic field may conceal vibrant gems beneath its surface. Lava flows, dark obsidian rocks, or exposed bedrock can all hide crystals that glint in sunlight. A careful eye can spot subtle color variations in volcanic rocks that signal hidden gemstones. Practical tips. Inspect exposed lava flows carefully. Tilt stones under sunlight to detect reflections, and tread cautiously on uneven terrain. Carry sturdy gloves to handle sharp volcanic rock without damaging potential gemstones. Discovering gemstones without mining transforms an ordinary walk into a journey of wonder. It requires no specialized equipment, only curiosity, patience, and observation. Every stone you pick up could be a piece of Earth's hidden history. Rivers, beaches, deserts, forests, and volcanic fields each hold their own unique treasures, waiting to be found. The next time you walk outdoors, pause. The dull gray stone beneath your feet may hold a story older than civilizations, a spark of color worth hundreds, perhaps thousands of dollars. The thrill of discovering a hidden gem is as much about the journey as the treasure itself. The world is rich with hidden gems. Which one will you uncover first? Perhaps your next walk in nature could reveal something you'll treasure forever.